today I'll be showing you how to export images without background so that you can use it on any other place. And this also applies to those who also make logos on Photoshop and you want to export it as a PNG without a background so that you can use it on any other product or design or whatever you want to use it for, right? So now we have an image loaded into Photoshop, and this image is already like the background has been taken out, so it's just like on its own. It doesn't have a background as it stands now. I want to put it on something else, right? So what I'm going to do is now is how to save it. We're just going to come to File, Save As, go to Save to maybe my computer, give it any name, and possibly make sure it's on PNG form. If you go back, if you click on the Save As type, you can see different formats here. You save as either PDF or you can also see you can save as PNG. So save as PNG, and once you click on Save, it saves it as a PNG without a background. And what you can do with that is very simple. Now, I've saved this already, so I'm just going to load a picture so that you see how this works. So let's say I load this picture, for example, into Photoshop, right? I'm just going to come back to where I saved it. I can take it and drag it into Photoshop, and there you have it without a background. I already placed that picture here. I can also resize it to the point where I like. I just dragging over this and making it look like something like this or something like this. Then I can make other adjustments and stuff to it as well. So this is how you save as a PNG without a background, an image without a background, and make it transparent and use it on any other backgrounds you feel like using it on. So guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial.